So what we want to do is make sure that, especially in hubs like Canyon and Old Faithful, where you have large infrastructure in place and you've got parking capacity, a lot of people will come to this location, park their car, and then if a safe, an efficient shuttle system is in place that can get them where they want to go reliably and predictably, they'll use it. And we look at that as a way that we can reduce congestion in the future. We think that it's something that we need to be out in front of. Obviously, we're not going to move a lot of people on these shuttles this year, but that's not the point. So the point this year, and with this partnership and this pilot, is really to test the technology and see can it work. The routes that we've selected, and Raquel will talk about this, are really designed to get people from the lodges in here into the village, get people from the campground into the village, and then we can look at how effective that is in the future and expand those routes depending on what we learn from this pilot here this summer. So I want to thank Federal Highways. They've been a big part of this. The Volpe Center, Joshua, it's good to see you here, who've really helped us with a lot of the technical aspects of this. The Alternative Energy, Alternative Transportation Group in Denver. I don't know where Mike is. Mike, Matt Jay's here. Xanterra, one of our primary concessionaires, has done a terrific job helping us work the logistics on this. The Park Service team has done a terrific job, Christina, and so many people that it takes to make this work, including the employees on the ground here. That I think you guys did a big training day yesterday with, if something happens, how do you get people off the bus or the shuttles and things like that. And then last but not least is Beep. Beep's a tremendous partner. They've had teams on the ground here for the last 2 months, working closely and hand in hand with the Park Service. We're very excited to launch this. We're very happy that you're here covering it. And we'll look forward to talking to you much more about what we learn from this and what other actions we may take in the future. And I believe it's very possible we'll hit 4.7 to 5 million visitors this year in this park. And so that time frame between million visits, that interval, is accelerating. And that means that we need to accelerate what we're doing, how we're doing it, and this is a good start to that. So thanks for being here, everybody, and I'll turn it over to Raquel next. Thank you from Beep.